A line of credit is a type of loan that offers flexibility in borrowing and repayment. It's a loan that allows the borrower to draw down funds as needed, up to a maximum amount, and repay the loan at their own pace. This type of loan is ideal for managing cash flow, as it enables borrowers to only borrow what they need, reducing the risk of taking on excessive debt. Lines of credit are useful for various purposes, such as covering unexpected expenses, funding long-term projects, or paying for education. They can also be used to consolidate debt, making it easier to manage multiple payments and interest rates. The key benefits of a line of credit include its flexibility and the ability to only borrow what is needed, reducing the risk of accumulating debt. To use a line of credit, simply withdraw funds as required, and repay the loan when the draw period expires. The loan can be reused after the repayment period, allowing for continuous access to funds as needed. This type of loan is well suited for managing ongoing expenses, making it easier to budget and plan for future financial needs.